the bite, the bug, yeah. The bite, yeah. Set the potato, the bite, boy, yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna and today is Thursday. It's the start of a new vlog. I am about to go to the mall with my friend and we are buying friendship bracelets. I'm so excited. So I gotta show you guys my outfit. I think it's really cute. I changed like 3 times and I did film a get ready with me with this look, so I'll show you guys how it looks. But I'm at the red light waiting to turn, so I'll see you guys when I get to her. Bye.
Yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm.
Look who I found. I know it's always better. So now we're about to wait. Louis Vuitton has a line. I don't even know if people can hear me. We'll see.
She said I already told ya, yeah.
So we're not sure which ones. I see this one a lot, like on people's videos.
Sure, that one definitely doesn't look adjustable.
Yeah. Elise and I both have problems. We're stuck with these. Success! We can't wait to show you what we got. Let me show you my outfit of the day. Got these from Ross. This is from Wetsuit, I think. This blazer, H&M. Denise Burke. Ross. Now we are waiting at our table. It's 30 minutes at Cheesecake. We're about to take pictures. So we are now at Cheesecake Factory, waiting on our food. Super hot. Alicia.
I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm.
We got food. Louis Vuitton now.